Hello, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video is how to use Instagram geotags to reach your target audience. So geolocation in Instagram is the specific location down to the latitude and longitude of where you've stored your Instagram content. Geolocations are gathered from the physical location of your mobile device, which allows users to store and tag their content to those coordinates. Keep in mind, this only applies if you tell Instagram to publicize your location. So Instagram stories, for example, you'll go to the plus sign and go to the story. I will create a post. It allows user to use digital stickers and photos or videos that are based on geotag. So let's swipe up. And here the location. And also, you can set it to geolocation already around you. So also in hashtag locations. Another great way to locate content set to a specific tag is through hashtags. We know that using popular hashtag in Instagram gives your content more visibility, but you can also use hashtag location like this one to get your content suggested when people are near your area. Hashtag locations can also be added to Instagram stories, making it easy to tag location through a hashtag sticker. Now that you have better idea of how an Instagram geotag works, the real question is, how can you use it to further engage your audience? So first is you can locate your customers and see who's geotagging you. So first thing first is try to find where your customers are talking about you most on Instagram. You can do a super quick search. For example, let's have a sample like Starbucks. You can have a search to see when and where customers mention your brand. So this one. Then find local influencers. Let's say you're a new boutique clothing shop in Chicago near Millennium Park and you want to get the word out of the coming event you're hosting. You can use Instagram geotags to find people in your area that are influential. Here's how. So you search on the places tags. And let's search like this. For example, Starbucks. Next is comment on posts at your stores. If you have a physical store location, it's smart to be top of these geotags as much as possible. Encourage sharing content to your location or hashtag. So are you lacking the engagement you want to for your geotags? Some users might be hesitant to share content to your location, especially if there's a little no to content already there. The best thing to do in this situation is promote your geotag and encourage users to share. So I hope that this video helps, and if you have questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.